Thinking about migrating to Australia? Fantastic. Let's have a look at the requirements for skilled migration. Australian skilled migration is a point-based system. Points are allocated to an applicant for different factors such as age, work experience, qualification, and English language proficiency. Let's have a look at each factor. The cutoff age for skilled migration is 45. Points are allocated as per age group. So ideally, the younger you are, the more points you will be allocated. Okay, so let's have a look at qualification. Now, it is literally within the wording, skilled migration. This program caters for applicants who hold a higher level of education within the nominated occupation. Now, there are two things to note here. Firstly, the higher your education, the more points you will be allocated. Secondly, your level of education needs to correspond with your nominated occupation. In other words, if you hold a bachelor's of journalism, we cannot apply as an electrician. Right, the dreaded English test that every single applicant would love to run away from, and I don't blame you. But as a main applicant, the English test is a necessity. Now, there are a few things to look at with the English test. Points-wise, as the main applicant, the higher your English language proficiency, the more points you will be able to claim. In addition, if you have a partner and your partner scores a certain level of English, you will be able to claim additional points for having a partner with English. Now, when it comes to scoring, there are different factors to look at. However, Australia will always look at the lowest score of the 4 bands in the English test, and that will determine how many points you as the main applicant will be able to claim. Let's have a look at work experience. Now, there are 2 important factors to think about when you are looking at work experience. Factor number 1, work experience has to meet 2 different requirements. Firstly, the requirement of the Australian government. Secondly, the requirement of the assessing body who will assess your work experience as well as your qualification. Second factor, work experience has to be very important. It has to be post-qualification. So, the higher your work experience or the more work experience you have, the higher the points you will be able to claim as the main applicant. Now that we've discussed age, qualification, work experience, and English language proficiency, and you've decided to watch me instead of Netflix, why have you not contacted Global Migrate for a free comprehensive assessment? I look forward to working with you.